friends, this is Ak. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Smart Stack widget in iOS 14 or iPadOS 14. Smart Stack is pretty helpful as it automatically rotates widgets to show the most relevant information throughout the day and can also be flipped through pretty easily. So let's see how it works. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed to our YouTube channel so that you won't miss any update from us. Now, to begin with steps, simply touch and hold the empty screen and then tap on the plus button, then scroll down and select Smart Stack. After that, you have to choose the preferred size. You have multiple sizes to choose from, so select the preferred one, right? And then tap on Add Widget. There you go, you have added the Smart Stack on the home screen. Now you can flip it through to access the most relevant info. It is worth noting that it automatically shows the most relevant info, depending on the time, depending on location, and depending on your use cases as well. If you ever want to edit Smart Stack, you can do it with ease. All you have to do is simply touch and hold the Smart Stack and then tap on Edit Stack, and after that you can rearrange the widgets by simply touching and holding the horizontal lines and then dragging it at the preferred spot just like this, right? You can also disable Smart Stack if you don't like it, right? Sure, that's the way you can customize Smart Stack in iOS 14 or iPadOS 14. If you have found this guide helpful, then do like it and share it.